Yo, what's up everyone? Today, Roblox got exposed for something pretty crazy. You're not gonna want to miss this. So, Ruben Sim tweeted, Roblox just released a toy modeled after a hentai character from the Monster Girl Encyclopedia books. Credit to dear Lady Maria for finding this. As you can see from this character's description, this is something not appropriate whatsoever, and the character is heavily overly sexualized. Ruben then tweeted, the developers of Astral Hearts recreated this character as an NPC in their game and were initially open about its origins on the game's Wikipedia. Months later, another admin scrubbed any reference to Monster Girls now that it's being sold to kids. And as you can see in these images, yeah, they really did try to hide the fact that this was from Monster Girls. They even deleted intentionally just that one little instance, which is really sketchy if you ask me. And what blows my mind in this whole situation is the fact that the Roblox toy, that's right, the Roblox toy itself has R63 face models in it. And like, why? Why is this a thing? Why did this pass multiple people and get published as a toy? It's like the biggest red flag I've ever seen. Like the blushing, the little face, the fact that the eyes and the blush, I believe all of these actually are straight from R63 models. When you look up R63 on Roblox, these face models literally will pop up. And that's my biggest concern. If Roblox had just done like the little basic cat face, I don't think there would have been a problem with the toy as much as there is. Yes, it has the inappropriate background, but kids are not buying it for that inappropriate background. They're just buying it because it's like, oh, cat girl, ooh, I want that. So I think it's my main problem is the face. Well, that's all for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. That's all for you guys. Peace out.